Hi, I'm Sister Mercedes.
And I'm Sister Peter Thomas. Welcome to Manners Monday.
So we talked about what body language says about you in conversation, but knowing the same cues can help you read others.
This isn't about mind reading. It's just being genuinely attentive to the other person.
So eye contact, relaxed face, open posture, all that shows the person's engaged.
And if they're nodding, tilting their head a little bit, that's them cueing you, tell me more. A quick raise of their eyebrows might say, I'm interested, I'm paying attention.
Glancing around the room or looking at your watch could show discomfort or that it's a bad time.
But again, you don't have to mind read. If you're not sure what the other person's communicating to you, it's okay to ask, is now a bad time? Or even more open-ended, you can say, what are your thoughts?
Remember, it's all about just making sure people are feeling comfortable and engaged.
Thanks for joining us for Manners Monday.
Remember, like and subscribe.
See you next time.
See ya. So glancing around the room, looking at your watch, can show discomfort or something. Try. Yeah, no.